welcome back to B Bytes Tutorials, and this is Bhaskar. Today I am going to show you how to deploy the web pages into a web browser using the IIS web server. The files that have been created are in ASP. As you all know that ASP is a Microsoft product, it should be run only with the Microsoft supportable web server, that is one which I have said now, Internet Information Service. So ASP is run in this web server. To make sure whether that IIS have been installed in your Windows XP or not, click on add or remove programs, then go to add or remove components. Then you will see with the services like indexing services, fax services, IIS. Once you have been highlighted with that service, you will be shown with the left side as a ticked or unticked. Here it is ticked, that so that it have been installed already. If it is unticked, make it tick. Please insert your Windows XP CD, then click on next. Then following the instructions, you will be installed in less than a minute. After that, make sure that click on the folder where your web pages have been present. Right click on that, go to properties, then see that web sharing tab. It is visible only if the IIS is installed in your system. If it is not, then you won't see this tab. Once you install, click on web sharing, then go to share this folder, tick that option and click apply and then OK. Now it is ready to be hosted on web server. Click on IIS, go to local my computer, websites, default website, go to the shared project folder. Here it's a folder name is project, and then today I'm going to show you how the simple validation works. That is here it's a CSS HTML file. I'm going to open this. Here you can see two text boxes, one is username and another with the password. For username I am going to type ABC, for password 111111. Submit. It's showing a wrong username or a password. Yes, it's because I have been given username as BOSS. See, you can see the source here. In the source, it's just showing what the page you are seeing here, that is the username and the password. For username, the tag is you should be aware with the HTML tags, that is TD. TD is a table description. With a under TR, it's a row, first row with a username. The username type must be a text so that you can input text, its text thing. And the second one is password. For that, type is itself a password. Yes, it's because it's a special one. If you type anything here, it will show as dotted spots, something which is confidential. And again, the submit and the reset are the two standard buttons available in HTML, as you all know this. Once you created with this form tag, you are finished with this thing. And as you can see here, the z.asp, here you can see the username I have been assigned as F is as boss and P as 256. If I gave this, then it only accepts and prints the message as hello username. See here, I am going to type boss with 256 as password. Then you can see hello greeting message. If I left anything blank, it will show forgot to enter username or password. Or if you type password 256, then again it will shout as forgot to enter username or password. See, let us see how actually the validation works. Since this code have been written in ASP with the starting angle brackets with a percentage symbol, DIM is a data input mode, with a variable name as f has been assigned with the request.form sentence. That is, it will fetch the username whatever we type on the web pages, and it will be loaded to f. And then it's a simple condition: if f is null or p is null, either f or p is null, then the response must be forgot to enter username or password. Else, if the username is exactly equal to boss and it is exactly equal to 256 password, then it should greet the message as hello username. If both cases are wrong, then finally the wrong username or password must be printed. It is so because the user have been entered either a wrong password or he must left with a blank. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how the web server acts with these web pages. See here, I'm opening the z.dot file. See the source code here. Here the action z.asp means once you click the submit button, that page must be leading to the z.asp, which is this page. Here actually the validation works. Now as soon as the user give the input in username text box, that will be fetched and assigned to f. Again the password, that is pwd, whatever you have typed, that is stored in p, and then the flow works. Just now I have explained previously. Now the thing is, the another thing is method. Here I have chosen the post method. It is so because once you are with the application like typing some confidential thing like password or some pin number or any confidential data, we have been used with a dotted format. As I explained earlier, if you give the input type as password, then that blank or that field is covered with dotted spots. In order to hide this from other users, for example, here I have been used method as post. It is good to use post because once you run the system, if you click submit, please see the address bar here. It is just showing an URL, that is http localhost project z.asp. I am going to show you the difference. The difference is, open up this application or the web page that have been created, edit this file with method as get. I will make you clear with this. Now I have been saved this. Okay, now I'm going to host this again. Go to websites and project, see the changes. I'm going to type the username and the password. I will press submit. See here, please look at the address bar, localhost project ASP with a question mark, fname as ghgf and separated by a pwd, that a password as fghg. If a person behind you or beside you can easily know that whatever you have given username and the password what you have been typed, if it is a correct password, I mean here we have typed the wrong password, I will type the boss and the 256. If you press that, see here the boss and the password is 256 is visible to everyone. This is a wrong way. It get method is used only when it there should be no such confidential matter. It should be a uh, unconfidential, or it is just some arguments which is not much important, then only you should use get method, or else you must use post method. You should be known with these concepts very thoroughly, then only you'll came to know what actually it does and what actually it works. See here, I'm going to edit this again. Make method as post. Save this. And then deploy the same thing with IIS. Now you can clearly been given with the wrong one. Hello boss will be printed again. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will be coming with few other things. Until then, bye.